Dear students, today we are going to study a chapter, A Polar Explorer. In this chapter, we are going to study about Roald Amundsen, who was born on July 16th, 1872 in Norway. He was an explorer of the North and South Poles. He led the first expedition to reach the South Pole and was the first person to visit both the North and South Poles. Let us start the chapter. Roald Amundsen was born in Norway in 1872. As a child, he read about famous British explorers. He joined as many sports teams as he could and slept with his windows wide open despite of freezing cold Norwegian winters, so that he would be fit, strong and ready if he got the chance to be an explorer. Roald Amundsen was born in Norway. Norway is a country in Europe. He was born on 16th July 1872. And from his childhood, he was very fond of explorers and he used to read about the famous British explorers. Explorer means the traveler or a person who discovers a new or unfamiliar areas. He joined many sports teams and he slept with his windows wide opened. Though it was very cold in that region in Norwegian winters. Norwegian winters means winter in Norway. It was very cold, but he used to keep his windows wide open. He wanted to be in touch with the climate. He wanted to make himself strong, fit, so that whenever he used to get chance to go for to be an explorer, he would be fit. Amundsen's family worked in the shipping industry, but his mother wanted him to avoid the dangers of a life at sea, so she encouraged him to be a doctor. His family was engaged working in shipping industry, but his mother was not willing him to drag him in the same profession. She wanted him to be a doctor. She always encouraged him to become a doctor. He obeyed his mother's wishes while continuing to read about explorers. He fulfilled his mother's desire. He went to become a doctor, but at the same time, he continued to read about the books of explorers. When he was 21 years old, his mother died. Amundsen left university and began his life as an explorer. When he was 21 years old, his mother died, and soon after his death, he left the university. He left the study of doctorate and he began his life as an explorer. In early expeditions, Amundsen was part of the crew. He watched, listened, and learned some useful skills. When he began his life as an explorer, he was just the part of the crew, and from others he observed everything, he listened them, he learned many useful skills from others. Once on a ship trapped in ice, he observed how the doctor's hunting skills provided the crew with fresh meat and kept them free from scurvy. Scurvy is a disease caused by a lack of vitamin C. It can lead to illness, loss of teeth, and death from bleeding. So once the ship was stuck in the ice, and that time he learned the skills, hunting skills, through which they could provide themselves fresh meat and kept them free from the scurvy. Scurvy is very dangerous disease which is caused by a lack of vitamin C, and due to this disease people get severe illness, they get loss of teeth and death from the bleeding. When he was 28 years old, Amundsen became the leader of expeditions with his own ship, Joe. The ship is still on display at the Frame Museum in Oslo. And when he was 28 years old, he became the leader of expeditions with his own ship. He was having his own ship, Joe, and he was the leader. The ship is still displayed at the Frame Museum in Oslo. In Oslo, still that ship is available to see.